This little girl deserves justice, and that's not what we got.
Rain Mahingan is Baeleigh Maurice's aunt. She says the family is stunned and angered by the judge's ruling.
The court system is filled with nothing but systematic racism, not only towards the Indigenous community, but towards other communities of color. And I'm just asking every Indigenous person to not forget her, make her name matter.
Judge Jane Wootten stayed the charge because the trial went too long. The Supreme Court has set a ceiling of 18 months for provincial court trials. This one went months past that.
This was a prosecution that was flawed from the get-go. It took far longer than it should have. This wasn't a close to the ceiling case. This was a substantially over the ceiling case. We're expecting the prosecution to disagree with that. We expect they'll file a notice of appeal shortly, and we look forward to beating them at the Court of Appeal too.
It was an emotional trial from the start, in no small part because the fatal crash was caught on a doorbell camera. The footage was played in court. And there were a host of technical issues. Taylor Kennedy told police that she had microdosed psilocybin mushrooms and vaped cannabis the day before. The defense suggested that her charter and constitutional rights were violated by police at the scene. In the end, the judge never did rule on these technical issues. Instead, she stayed the charge, saying that the Crown hadn't justified why it took the trial so long to get to the end. Dan Zakreski, CBC News, Saskatoon.